With each new year, Samsung's experimental folding phone series is looking less ridiculous and more revolutionary. After all, there is something truly enticing about unfolding a tablet-sized screen from out of your pocket. That's why the Galaxy Z Fold 4 release is on the horizon, and we have already begun to size up the best Z Fold 4 cases. Because just like the Z Fold 3, its successor isn't the most durable handset on market. If you plan to get an S Pen to use with your Fold 4, then it would make sense to get a case with a detachable S Pen holder like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 standing cover. It is a little on the pricey side since it comes from a name brand, but at the same time the material quality is quite high. The case feels nice in the hands and adds some stud drop protection over the phone's thin chassis. It has a nice hinge cover that does not protrude from the rear, and when you are not using the S Pen holder, you can replace it with an optional kickstand attachment or just leave it empty. It comes in surprisingly few colors for an official Samsung product, but aside from that, there's little to dislike about this accessory. If we summarize the pros and cons for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 standing cover, the pros are: it has detachable kickstand, it's lightweight and durable, it has detachable S Pen holder, wireless power share compatible. And the cons are: it has high price tag, it has limited dot protection and limited color options. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day capabilities.